Boy, you almost snatched my neck out, boy. I bet he looking like Scooby-Doo.
What we got going on?
Okay, so my back has been killing me.
Okay.
I feel like I have gas in my back, like trapped gas or something. Sometimes when I breathe, I don't feel like I'm getting like a full breath. Like I don't feel like I'm getting like my fullness. And when like I can twist, but it's not enough twisting. Like I need more. I need more.
How's that breathing?
I feel so good. I feel like it was like you heard that something stuck in my throat, something? Like it was like something was there for a long time. It's really good. I feel relieved.
Heck yeah. Okay. So you feel like your body's not going to like full range of motion with things. Can't even.
Hurts.
And it hurts. Okay.
I feel so light. I can't even move, but I feel good.
And then, like you said, you can't take like a.
I can do it, but I don't think it's right. Like I don't feel like it's all my air. Like you know how my back hurts so bad. I don't feel like it's.
And yeah.
It's not my full breath.
Trust me, you won't be the first with that kind of issue. We got this area in here, and then it's all that. Okay. Dang. Let me have you go face down on the table for me. Check that leg length here. Not too bad. Tiny bit short on the left, but it's pretty darn close. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. A little bit of rotation in the neck here. No pain with any of that though, right? Alright. Yeah, I'd say from about here to here you got a little bit of rotation. I'm gonna start right up top here.
Oh shit! I didn't see that coming. I'm saying. Oh shit!
There we go.
Oh shit!
Gonna drop down that thoracic spine here. One more time. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one leg on each side.
Sit up.
Yep.
Sorry. I didn't see it coming. It was like braces I got caught in my lips and stuff.
There we go. Rest. You can relax your arms.
I was looking forward to Shawn Michaels' music on when I came in here.
Oh yeah?
Like a WWE belt. It's like Shawn Michaels.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you like to crush my back.
Leg length looks better there, that's for sure. See how that low back's moving? Not too bad. Got a couple little spots in there. Let me have you flip onto your back. Hold on. Every time. Now we're going to do the Y strap.
Okay.
Every time. Every time.
Think you put it in a ponytail? Put it in a ponytail?
I'm going to get around you. Alright, actually perfect. Easier than expected there. Yeah, you good. You ready?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh shit! Fuck! Shit! Damn! Shit!
Catch your breath.
Fuck! Shit! Damn! Oh wow!
Catch your breath.
Wow.
What did you feel?
I felt first everything went black. I smelled no air. Like it was like I felt like I can't explain it. It felt like when you're in the pool and you got water in your nose and you go too deep and then you start thinking like, oh my god, I'm about to drown or I'm about to swim. It felt like that. But then I stood up and I was like, wow, this is 3 feet. That's how I felt.
Dang.
Yeah. What do we do next? Like, what the fuck? Like, did I move? I'm scared.
I got you. Come on up. And rest.
Wow, man. All right, let me try to stand up and see what it's on.
Go for it.
Wow. A little bit right here. You go right here. It's right here, so I'm still right here.
Okay. Sit for me.
Sit straight up.
Sit. Yeah, you good right there.
But everything else, like, I feel like.
How's that breathing?
I feel so good. I feel like it was like you heard that something stuck in my throat, something? Like it was like something was there for a long time. I just feel good. I feel relieved.
Heck yeah. Let me have you.
The people in the videos are really strong because they don't be react. I don't be seeing them react to what I said. Like,
No, sit here.
here.
Yep. Come on back down. We're going for round 2.
2?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you kind of get that. You did it so quick last time. Heck yeah. Perfect. Yeah, you're good.
What should I do with my arms? Hold on, what should I do with my arms?
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, you're good.
Boy, you almost snatched my neck out, boy. I bet he looking like Scooby-Doo.
Not too bad with that second one, right?
Man, that second one kind of tight. You gotta go in with that little vibrator thing.
Okay.
But I feel loose. I feel, I could sing probably. Hello. Well, I swear you need that help though, because you don't feel like you can move your neck again.
Oh, I know, like right away.
You feel like I'm definitely never moving that again.
How do you feel?
I was at zone. I definitely feel like you definitely saved me. Like I've been waiting for so long. Like so I saw you, I knew that you were the person that saved me. And I stand up.
Yeah.
See, so I feel a little bit into it.
Feel like there's one in there?
This one right here is like,
Right in here? Okay.
if I step right here, it's right there.
Okay. Go face down on the table. Scoot down just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We're talking right in here. Sit up on the table again. Do this one right here. Yeah. Keep your thighs to the table. Okay. Felt that one. Relax. How's that feeling through there?
It does feel a lot better. Okay.
Okay. How's that breathing?
It does feel different.
Okay, that was the bigger one that I wanted to make sure.
Yeah. It does feel good, like. Oh yeah, you're good. It's still a little pain right here. I feel so light, I can't even move, but I feel good.
Heck yeah.
Like,
Tall as hell.
yeah.
Tall as hell.
I feel good. I feel good.
This is how you need to be feeling all the time.
My chest is up, like my pulse is going forward. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Alright, I'm good. I think I even might want something with all of it. It's good.